Jai Hind students, this is theme for uh, class 11th history, and the chapter is the Central Islamic Land. The Umayyad and con- controlation of policy. The consequent of the large territory destroyed the caliphs based in the media and replaced it with a increasingly authoritarian policy. The Umayyads implemented a series of the political measures with the consolidated their leadership with the Umayyad. The first Umayyad Khalifa Muawiyah moved his capital to Damascus and adopted the court ceremony and administrative instructions of the Byzantine Empire. He also introduced heritage succession and persuaded that the leading Muslim to accept his son as heir. These innovations were adopted by caliphs and followed him. And allowed the Umayyads to retain power of 90 years and Abbasi for 2 centuries. The Umayyad state was now an important imperial power, uh, no longer bases directly on the Islam but on statecraft and loyalty of the Syrian troops. They were Christian advisors in the administration as well as the Zoroastrian scribes and bureaucrats. However, Islamic continued to provide legitimately to their rulers. Umayyad always ready for unity and suppression rebel in the name of Islam. They also retained their Arab social identity during the region of Abd al-Malik 685 to 705 and his successor. Both the Arab and Islamic identities were strongly emphasized. Among the major, Abd al-Malik took were the adopt of the Arabic as the language of the administration and introduction of the Islamic coinage, the gold dinar and the silver dirham that had been circulating in the caliphs were copies of the Byzantine and Iranian coin, dinar and dirham, with symbols of the crosses and fire altars and the Greek Prithvi, the language of the Iranian inspiration. These symbols were removed and the coins now created Arabic inscription. Abd al-Malik also made high visible contribution to develop an Arab Islamic identity by building domes of the rock in Judaism. Here are some points were given at the time of Abd al-Malik, and here is something written in Arabic language.